Recently, RoundTower worked with a manufacturing customer on the East Coast. They had really complex infrastructure at their remote sites. So they were having to deal with problems daily around their storage environment, their compute, their virtualization, and recommended HCI for that environment. Simplified their environment, made it a lot easier for them to manage. They could manage it centrally, even though they had a lot of remote sites. And then ultimately, we replaced their data center with hyper-converged as well. So then they can manage that entire environment from one console, much easier to update, much easier to maintain, no resources really required in the field. And it allows them to really go focus back on what's critical to their business.